Hi, this is a video of Rod's Pellet Stove Controller. It's the one that he's labeled number 1 because he sent me 2. And this Pellet Stove Controller, he noted to me before sending it that it had suffered some electrical damage and that the element was not coming on anymore. So sure enough, when I received it, the circuit board was damaged at the element and it was not sending any voltage out to the element itself. So I've got my TC set at using my simulator. I have my TC set at 134 degrees F, and I'm going to turn it on. When I do turn it on, I expect to see 3 lights come on: the igniter, the combustion, and the auger motor simulators, which are just incandescent light bulbs. They'll come on to show that everything is working. So here they are, they're all on. And it'll stay in this mode for just a little over 2 minutes. It does this so that the auger has a chance to pre-fill the fire pot, which may be empty from the last time that it was shut down and all the pellets in it burnt off. So it's currently got the combustion fan, the heater element, and the auger spinning. For now, while we wait for the two and a half minutes to pass, I'll say that because of the damage to the circuit board, it was not repairable. So I fed a wire out to the outside, and I'm connecting it directly to my test fixture to power up the igniter lamp or igniter motor, so to speak. So that's the fix on this one. I'm not sure that that's a good fix for, long term or for using, but it might be a good emergency fix if it was ever required. So as I wait for the time to elapse, when that happens, when 2 minutes is gone, the auger motor should shut off, and we'll see that as its light goes off. I'm at the 2 minute mark of this video, so probably another 35 seconds before that happens. If I'll note one more time that I've got the temperature preset using my J-type thermocouple, or K-type thermocouple, sorry, over to 134 degrees F. And I'll note that on this one I measured the green light to come on at 275 degrees F, and the red light should come on at about 930 degrees F. So we'll play with that when we get to that stage. So anytime now, I expect the auger motor light to shut off, and we'll hear a click. There it is. So the auger has shut off, the relay is off now, and we're still at 134. So I'm going to tilt this up a little bit in hopes that we can see it, although I tend to doubt that we will. So I'm going to ramp up my temperature a little bit to the 275 degree point, and we should see the green light come on. Hopefully we can do that. 240, 60. Will it come on? Will it come on? There it is. The green light came on and the auger motor came back on. So we'll increase it now to the next step, which is 930 F, and at that point we should see the element light go off. There it is. The element light went off. The auger is still running and the combustion fan is on. On this furnace type, the QuadraFire does not control the combustion room fan. It does so with a thermostatic switch inside the cabinet of the pellet stove, and that's why on this test fixture it does not come on at all. So the only other thing I'll show here is if I turn off the thermocouple to simulate a failure, you see what happens. The auger motor goes off and the igniter comes on for whatever reason that QuadraFire selected that to happen. I'm not quite sure that's the right thing to do, but that's what happens. So if your thermocouple goes open, your auger stops spinning completely and your igniter comes on and the combustion fan stays on. So that's it for this one. I'm going to return this to Rod.